So I wasn't planning on cutting a tree today, but I've got one leaning that needs to come down. It wasn't very healthy anyway, so that's fine. It was going to come down eventually. We've had some days of rain and the ground is pretty saturated. And then we had some strong winds that started to take this over. I rolled it around a little bit, got a little dirt off. I think it might be just enough to pick it up. Well, that was nice to be able to get the whole stump out of there. I'll just grade this flat, pick up a few sticks, and we'll be all set.